Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by granting camera permission. This lets the app access the lens immediately. Next, open the camera app or a trusted QR scanner. Point the phone so the code fills the center frame and hold steady. Autofocus reads most codes automatically. Once done, you'll see a notification or link preview. Do not tap random prompts. Instead, check the preview for obvious domain or action. If nothing appears, try toggling flashlight or move slightly closer to let autofocus lock. Once the scanner identifies the QR code, you'll get a clear label showing what it contains, a link, Wi-Fi config, contact, or text. Tap the notification to reveal full details and reason through the action. You want to know why it's asking to open a site or add a network. If it's a Wi-Fi code, check the SSID and encryption. For contacts, verify fields before saving. If the camera app won't show details, use a dedicated scanner app that displays raw payloads for safety and clarity. To finish, follow the confirmed action. Open the link in your browser, join the Wi-Fi, save the contact, or copy the text. Make sure the result matches the preview. If not, cancel immediately. If scanning fails, clean the lens, boost lighting, or switch to a dedicated QR app that shows raw payloads that often exposes hidden redirects. And one key troubleshooting tip: if a link looks suspicious, do not open it. Long press to copy and paste into a safe text editor or scanner for inspection.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.